First, set the Medley XL to 400 degrees. After preheating, add oil to the Medley XL. Season the tenderloin with salt and pepper on both sides. Add the pork tenderloin into the skillet and sear each side until golden brown. Next, add the mushrooms, garlic, rosemary, and wine. Season with salt and pepper. Cover with the lid and simmer for a few minutes until the tenderloin is fully cooked. To finish, garnish with fresh parsley. The pork tenderloin with mushrooms is ready to serve.
Nuwawe, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.